Welcome guys, today we have 2009 Pontiac Vibe with a 1.8 liter standard engine, and it's basically Toyota Matrix, but it was made by Pontiac. It's one of my favorite cars in terms of practicality because the car is pretty small and economical, but you can store a lot of stuff here. We also have spare tire. Like in new cars, they don't even put it anymore. It's kind of unfortunate, but we also have a little storage right there. Yes. I think Pontiac as a company doesn't exist anymore, but it was one of their last cars that they built. Just hurt my head. Yeah, here in the back it's still a lot of space. We're well seated. It's all the same as Toyota Matrix, but cloth fabric, it's black. I think Matrix made it all like in gray color, but personally I prefer the black. It looks better. Even the key is very similar to Toyota keys. Here we have some storage and two cup holders. Pretty roomy here. Everywhere is hard plastic, but it's all about practicality. We can also store some bottles here. As the car was aging, the fabric it started to come off, but it's not a big deal. Driver seat, all manual controls. Just two regular lights. And the steering wheel is just up and down. Okay. What I like in the Pontiac, I don't think Matrix had it, but we can choose 115 volt outlet, and we have it here as well. So if you need to charge your laptop or some bigger electronic devices, you can actually do it with this car. And we also have standard 12 volts outlet right there. And a little storage with two compartments. All is very practical. And glove box here with another small compartment up here. We also have value pack air fresheners that come with the car. 1.8 liter Toyota engine that was made for Matrix and Corollas as well. We have 134,000 kilometers. And now let's see how it drives. About 1 year ago, I made a video with 2010 Toyota Matrix, and it's basically the same car. Everything is almost the same. Some strange noise coming from the back of the car, and it just check engine light that just popped out. For now I'm not sure what is the problem, but I hope that the owner will not kill me for this. What I would love to say is that Matrix has a bit a different radio system, and Pontiac Vibe, what I heard, it's Pontiac has a problem with the volume button, like it's with the time it just falls off, and with the Matrix you don't have this problem, but other than that everything is the same. The driving experience is kind of the same as Toyota Matrix or even Toyota Corolla. The only thing I think Matrix and Vibe they have a bit more firm suspension, so it's just a bit more bumpy than Toyota Corolla. But in terms of engine and driving dynamics, it's the same thing. We also have a Toyota Matrix and Vibe with a 2.4 engine, and I already made a video. I had the chance to have a Pontiac Vibe with this kind of engine, and you can have more power with that, and it also comes with all-wheel drive. But still 1.8, it's still a good engine for this size of the car. So yeah, as I said, it still remains one of my favorite cars. It's very practical, very reliable. I personally had Toyota Matrix like 7 years ago, and I had it for maybe 4 years, and I really loved it. So thank you for watching. I'll try to see what is the problem with the car, with the check engine light, and see you in the next one, guys.